All right, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do some circles and arc. All right, so first, I'm going to go to circle. I'll click on the circle here, and then I'll just start a circle. Let's call this 5 in radius. Hit enter again. So there's one thing in AutoCAD is if you hit enter, it's going to recall the last command that you did. So in this case, I just did a circle. So now it's going to be a circle again. I'm going to do this 10, enter. All right. Now, if I want to go to, let's say, if I want to go to line, I can draw a line here, and I'll hit escape, and then I'll hit enter again. You can see that now I'm still in the line command, right? So anyhow, this video is about circles. So there we are. We have a 5 and a 10 radius circles. So I'm going to introduce you to another thing is I can, like most of the drawing you will see is you have something like this, like like have a little arc. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to something that called tangent radius. So I can either use that or hit the shortcut. I'm going to hit circle and then I'll do TTR. That is 10 tangent radius. Hit enter. Then I will see that tangent symbol show up when I put it on a circle. So I first put it on here. I'll click it. And then second I put on here. I'll click it again. And now I'll give it a radius measurement. So let's say I want it to be 8. I'll hit enter. There it is. That would be the circle right there that I just create. And then I can trim it to, to use the part that I want to use. All right, so that's how you do those. Or it's usually there's another option is to do the arc. You can use a 3-point arc to do it, or you can see a whole bunch of arcs that you can do. Same thing for circle. You can see the multiple things, and the tangent radius is very helpful. All right, last thing about circles or arc here is when you click on one of those things, you will see that they have that little blue square that show up there. Okay, so that, let's say this is radius of 5, and we know that, but let's say the problem call for 6. We're just gonna go right here, double click on it. Well, let me escape out of my other thing first. Click on the shape, double click here. Let me do that again. You have to be quick, I guess. And then this window gonna show up after you hit double click. As you can see, the radius, the diameter, the circumference, the area is all there based on the 5 that we put in for radius. Now let's say we change that to 6, hit enter, you can see everything else is changing as well. So this might be helpful for geometry class. So that's that. Enjoy.